Good morning, friends. Welcome to Share Market Winners. This is Bala signing on for Share Market Winners. Today, we are going to talk about Kelton technologies. And this is nothing specifically promoting the Kelton technologies stock. Just to do analysis on this Kelton technologies, I felt there is potential for the stock. So we thought it would be good to review the stock. Yeah, Kelton technologies. We will go through the details of it. Before that, I would recommend you to go through the disclaimer. These videos are only for the um, purposes of education, and I'm not a SEBI registered consultant. This is only for your knowledge. Um, do understand there is a risk involved in any of the investments that you make. Um, please be aware. If you would wanted to invest, please consult with your investment advisors before make any investments. Okay, let's go into the details of Kelton Technologies. This is kind of a micro cap or a small cap type of company, which is less than 1,000 crore market cap, but currently trading at a price of 92.9 rupees. And the talk about this company, it is hidden AI kind of a stock. So their presence is widely on US and Asia Pacific to an extent. And then this company does offer the um, digital transformation, ERP, and IT outsourcing related areas. Um, Recently, this company is involved in doing AI modeling, machine learning, and algorithm suits evolving demands for commerce, telecom, and agriculture sectors as well. Okay, and this is also to an extent providing an IoT-based solutions, and it also does the um, analyticals using the cloud and the streaming data management and device management for the IoT. Okay, so this is emerging technologies which they are investing, and we can look at some of the details from the fundamental analysis perspective. Seems to be okay kind of company, so we can think of looking at this company. So I have marked some of this fundamental analysis based on our cheat sheet. We can see that the stock PE is trading at 20. Usually we will try to consider those stocks which is trading above the industry PE, but in this condition I felt it is okay to an extent because PE slightly less than the industry PE. However, the price to sales seems to be good, and debt to equities is less than 1, which is 0.37, which is impressive. And price to sale, we can see 0.93, price to book value is 2.21, which is to be between 1 to 3 is what we recommend. Quick ratio is good. Current ratio, however, it's not in a decent level. Return on equity seems to be 16.5, but the return over 3 years, we can see only 9%, slightly um, less than the yearly return on equities. However, in a small cap or a micro cap level type of companies, this is reasonably okay, is what I felt. The other interesting things which we are going to see is um, the overall analysis of the fundamental. The positive side, we can see annual revenue. It is increasing 8.97 the last year, which is good. And the quarterly revenue is also seems to be 4% increase year on year of compared to the year on year quarter results. So debt to equity, as I mentioned before, it is very less impressive. And one concerning factor is I could see there is a reduction in the promoter holding percentage. However, it seems to be constant, but they are maintaining around 50, 51%, close to 51%, which is also good. Seems to be there is no presence of um, um, mutual funds or the domestic institution um, investments, but I could see there is a potential increase from the foreign institutions, which seems to be very good considering the stock. Okay, let's see some of the technical. Um, we'll do the technical analysis now. This is the time frame which I can see in a day chart. I will change it to weekly to do some kind of an analysis, so we'll be able to figure out whether it has a potential. Okay, this stock seems to be traded somewhere around 120, and later it got declined, and now it is trading around 93. Okay, so for the technical analysis, I have taken the time frame of weekly. Let's look at what patterns we can find from this one. Okay, okay. For me, it looks like one um, descending or a falling wedge pattern here, and the rising wedge pattern here. Apart from that, for me, what it looks like a cup and handle pattern. Let's draw and see how it looks like. Okay, technically. Okay, I'm assessing from the um, last trend as well to understand how this share behaves in the past to see if there is any opportunity for us to consider this one. Okay, seems to be a cup and handle pattern, and we know the targets for this one, especially in a cup and handle, it's the depth of the cup. Let's see whether it met previously. Hmm, that's impressive. We can see there is a previously the similar pattern which is observed has met the targets, and it has gone up to 122 price limit, and the similar pattern is what I'm now noticing. That's why I am trying to predict this one. Okay, again there is a cup and handle pattern which it seems to be, and I'm just leaving some of the outliers considering there is no um, consideration why that stock has moved very high due to high volatility in the um, market, probably. So I'm just trying to plot the trend. If it seems to be promising, then we would try to consider this one. Okay. So at present, it looks like as similar to the similar pattern which we have seen during 2019 to 2020, and during 2021 to 2022 we can see a rise, and now it is also given a similar type of a pattern, um, and we can plot this one and see what potential it has and what are the support and resistance areas as well. Okay, I feel there is a potential for this stock to reach up to 167.25, could be the next targets which we can look forward for, but I'm not recommending any of these stocks. It's just for an education purpose to understand whether how to find the support and resistance. Is there a possibility of these stocks to trend higher? To You can analyze on your own, understand, and see if this is making any sense for you to consider this stock. And to understand more detail about this stock, we can also go into the company website. check what does this company do. Let's see what it does. Okay, this company, if you get into the details of services, okay, so we can see the AI and ML, alteration AI, predictive analysis, generative AI, machine learning. We know that the AI concepts are growing very fast, and this is a cutting edge technology in the IT industry. So seems to be this company has potential with all these various services they offer in data science and engineering, digital experience, cloud engineering, next gen services, and product engineering seems to be a highly potential. And they also offer some of the um, services for SAP. So we know SAP is also extensively used in various um, industries. And I could see there is a client base of to an extent which is also good. So yeah, pretty good industrial space in which their presence is we can see. Um, so with all that, I feel this particular stock has a potential in future. So if you are interested, probably you can try considering this stock after consulting with your financial advisors to make an investment for a long term. And thanks once again, thanks for watching Share Market Winners. Um, if you feel free to share this video with friends and family who are interested to know more about share market, subscribe to this YouTube channel. We'll come on with furthermore new videos to give more knowledge about the share market. Thanks, friends.